And welcome to day 14 of our 30-day Power BI series. I'm Umi Asma, and today we are going to dive into the card and the multi-row card. Okay, visuals in Power BI. So these visuals are perfect for displaying summary information, KPIs, or aggregated data points in a clean and straightforward way. Let's get started. Okay, so what is a card? What are cards? So a card visual is used to display a single data point like the total revenue, average sales, or the highest value in your data set. Okay, it's concise and helps highlight key performance indicators at a glance. For example, you can use it to showcase the total sales figure or year over year growth percentage, as you can see it here. So these are the cards we have it in our Power BI. Okay. So now what is a multi-row card? So while a card visual shows one data point, a multi-row card is perfect for displaying multiple aggregated data, as you can see it in our image here. Okay. Yeah. Think of it as a way to display the several KPIs side by side in a compact format. All right. To use them, use the card visual to spotlight one key metric. So, like total sales or a specific KPI. You can use the multi row card when you want to show multiple metrics in a compact space, such as your total sales, average order value, and the number of transactions together. All right. Yeah, you can use at that point of time. So, let's start with our visual here. So, this is a visual. Here's a card. Okay, when I double click on it, so you get a tile on our screen. You can drag and increase the size of your tile here. Okay, then after that, here is our data. You already know our data, so you can give a numeric data as well as text categorical data. Okay, like both the data you can give it here. So what I do here is, let me give a quantity here. Okay, you just have to drag and drop it. So here 25K, sum of quantity ordered new is 25K. So here first, this is our KPI. So first let me give a background or as well. So here go to the background, canvas background, click on the color. You can select a different color here. Okay, and here the transparency you have to give it to 0 so that you can see a background on our screen. Okay, yeah, perfect. So now this is our card. Okay, so this is our card. Let's go back to our data visual here. In the data visual, you can I had given a quantity, right? So quantity, no. So this is a new data it's taking. So I don't want to give a new data here. I'll just delete. So see, if you want to delete any card, so what you can do here is you just have to click on the three dot, and here you get a remove option. So just click on the remove, and your card will be removed. So for all the visuals, you can do in such in the same way. All right. Yeah. So now let's click on a card here. So in the fields, we have given a sum of quantity ordered to new. All right. So by default, it takes a sum. So I want to change it. Change the name. So like I can give a total quantity. Okay. So total quantity ordered to new. Enter. So here total quantity. So the name is changed. All right. Yes. So this is your single card. Okay, you can resize it here. So let's look at the format here. Okay, so in the format you have a two values, call out value. Here you have a font size, so you can give a font desired font, like I'll be choosing a Calibri, and you can give a font size. You can increase a font size and decrease the font size, and if you want to give it in a bold, you can give it in a bold. And the italic style also you can give it. Okay, I just don't want to give italic style. And you have an underline as well, so you just try with the underline also, just play around with the settings, only then you come to know. All right, so here it's a black, so you can change the color here. Okay, so now Here you have a display unit, so it's a auto. You can give it in a thousands, okay. You can give it in a thousands, billions, or trillions, okay. You can give that. Yeah, so now in the category label, we have a desired font here. Okay, you can select a desired font here, and here the you can increase the size as well. Okay, and you can change the color. Yes, so see, for a total, see, in a color value, you can change the value here, like the font. You can change the font, you can change the font size, and the color also you can change it in a color value, in a category label. So the total quantity you can see here. So in this you can change a font size, you can give it a bold, italic, underline, or you can change a color as well. Okay, so now here in the properties section, we have a, you can set it size, okay, height, um, and the width you can give it here. You can increase and decrease the width, okay. Then the position also you can set it down, and the title is off right now. So if you keep it down on, you can give a title as well, okay. Then when you scroll it down, here you have a subtitle divider and spacing. So this, you guys are familiar with this, all right. So now here header icons also, you have a background, like you can give it a background as so that is a header icons. Here you can see the filter and this one, so that is your header icons, okay. I just give it a white here, okay. And here the border also, which color the border you want, you can give it icon colors, okay. So this is your header icons. Header icons means this two here, okay. Yeah, then in the properties we have done, here you can give a padding as well. So like the spaces you want to give it, you can give the spaces here. And here you have a advanced setting. So maintain layer order. You can maintain that, and you have a data format as well. Okay, the same setting which we have seen it. Okay. Yeah. And here in the general, go to effects. Here you can give a background color. See, the background color is changed here. All right. Let me give the light colors here. Okay. Hmm. Yes, and you can just make it a light here. Transparency you can give it. Okay, but this background and this background is not matching here. Okay. So what I do here is, yeah, transparency dark ho jayega. Okay, yes. All right, so this is all. If you want to make it a black color of this numbers, you can do it. Value and the text as well, okay. So this is your card. So see, if you want to create a new card also, what you can do here is, you have to click on the color, okay. Click on the screen here. Then after that, select a card again, okay, and you have to give a values. So like let's give a ship date here, or a product base margin, let's give that, okay. So here, see, here we have already done a formatting for our one card, so we don't have to repeat for the same thing for our second card. So what you can do here is, just click on it, select a format painter, and you can give here. Okay, so see, the setting has been changed. Okay, so this is the one way of doing, and the other way is, you can just click Control C, Control V. Okay, drag it. Yes, so you don't have to waste your time by giving a formats again and again for the different cards. All right. Yeah. And here you can give a borders as well. So here go to the general, and here you have a borders. In the visual borders, you can give it, turn it on. Yeah, so see, we got a border here. Okay. Yes. And if you want to add a shadow also, you can give a shadow there. Okay. Then that is the one way of doing. So you can just right click, copy paste, and click here. Go to your visual, and here you can just change the name. So whichever the field you want to give it, you can give. Let's give a postal code. Let's don't want a postal code. Let's give the sales here. Okay. So now this is your sales. Sum of sales we have it, but I want to see the average of sales. Okay, so this is the average of sales we have here. Again, the same thing, you just have to copy and paste it, and if you want to see the minimum, you can see the minimum of it. All right. Yeah. So now this is your multi row card. Let's look at the multi-row card. So here is your multi-row card. Okay, so here you can add a multiple values in it. What you can do here is, let's give a sales. Yeah, some of the sales, and here let's give product based margin. Okay. Yeah, then let's give a shipping cost. Then the profit will give a profit. Okay, so these are the four things. So yeah, you just have to click and drag, and you can give it in this format. Okay. Yeah, again you can change the formats for this. All right, so like you can give a settings, go to the format page. Here we have the call out values and the call out labels, and here we have a card, so where you want to give it, so like the top, bottom, okay, left, right. Okay, this you can give it here, outline. So here we have a accent bar. So accent bar is nothing but the line which we see on the uh, bar here. Okay, so that is your accent bar. Let me change a color and show it to you here. Yeah, so see, this is your accent bar here. Okay, and you can just increase the width of the accent bar. Yeah, so see, this is your accent bar. All right, so this is your card and the multi-row card. So we have done with this. That's it for today's session. Cards and multi-row cards are simple yet powerful visuals for highlighting key metrics. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use these visuals in your dashboard. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated as we continue this 30-day Power BI journey. See you tomorrow for day 15. So bye bye. Take care.